Hello, I'm Joey Casco. Part 3 of my 3-part series on soil and wine is called Roots Among Rubble. And now we've reached the end, the final structure of soil type, rock and stone. It's not so much of a soil type because you can't grow grapevines on nothing but rocks, but soil of vineyards can get very rocky and stony. And what's the difference between rocks and stone? The answer seems to be hotly debated. If you ask me, before researching this article, I would have answered it this way. Both are very hard, consolidated matter that can be strictly mineral, strictly organic, or a combination of both. Rock is jagged as if it was chiseled. Stone is smoother and rounder and weathered. And that's what did and still does make the most sense to me. But reading up on the subject almost all night has left me confused more than with answers. One thing I can tell you is that to not even bother looking at the dictionary definitions, those are useless. And in the end, I couldn't even get a clear, widely accepted definition from geologists. Some say rocks are movable like cliffs and other formations, while stones are smaller fragments of rock. Some say that rocks are minerals regardless of size, whether it's the smallest particle or a boulder, while stone is a formation of organic matter or both organic and mineral matter. Then some say rock is naturally formed while stone is extracted by people for our own purposes. I don't know, dude. It seems like geologists can't even find a straightforward definition, and I like mine, personally. But regardless of the true definition, if any of the previous soil types also include a good number of rocks or stones, then it has the benefit of extra soil drainage and heat retention. And so take a bunch of clay and water it down, and it just absorbs all that water. Do the same thing, but with rocks in the clay, and the water will use the sides of the rocks and the openings that they make to drain better. Let it sit out in the sun, and the rocks on the surface will suck in solar heat and blast it back up onto the vines, warming them nice and cozily. Also, with more space in the soil being taken up by big clunky things, the less nutrients are in the land. So in the broad view of soil types, stony and rocky soil is absolutely the best for viticulture. So that was just the introduction, and then from there I'm going to get into granite, schist, what else here, slate, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to go ahead and read the rest of the article on winestalker.net, be my guest. Bye-bye.